Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. Today let's have a quick look at Vivo's Y33t smartphone. This budget-friendly device was launched in 2022. First of all, look at the design. This device comes with a typical Vivo's look, but in this phone Vivo added some glittery effect on the back of the phone. The frame and the back is made of high quality plastic, a Type-C port at the bottom along with 3.5 mm microphone jack. Weight of this phone is 182 grams and the size is 6.5 inches. So the looks of this phone are no doubt amazing. Now let's move towards the performance. This smartphone comes with Snapdragon 680, which is a 4G chipset and provides a decent performance on day-to-day usage. PUBG can run with ultra settings on this device and same is the case with Call of Duty. The chipset is 10 nanometer in thickness and also provides a good gaming experience. Here are some gameplays. The display of Vivo Y33t is IPS LCD with 1080p resolution, which is a full HD display, and the screen to body ratio is 83.1%. So the display looks premium while holding due to its good screen to body ratio. This display is capable of playing 4K videos on YouTube and also supports 4K video recording. The camera of this smartphone is also a good one. We cannot say it's perfect, but the triple rear camera setup provides good results. Main camera is 50 megapixels along with 2 megapixels macro and 2 megapixels depth lens. Single selfie camera is 16 megapixels, which also provides very good results. All the basic features like portrait, slow-mo and time-lapse are available in Vivo Y33t. But there are also some extra unique features like document scanner, live photo and panorama, which makes the camera even better. This smartphone has a big battery of 5000 mAh with 18 watt fast charging support. So you can charge this phone from 0 to 100 in less than 2 hours. This 5000 mAh battery is capable of giving 2 days complete backup with a normal use. So as a conclusion, I can say that this mobile phone is good according to its price, with good processor, decent camera result, excellent display and beautiful design. So that's it for the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.